In this video, I'll be showing you how to send emails using MailChimp. So for us to send emails using MailChimp, I'm going to follow a few steps. The first step is that I'm going to design an email template. So I'm just going to click on create, and it's going to ask me what I want to create. I'm going to choose emails. I'll click on the drop down and I want to select templates. Now it says get a head start on email design. I'm going to click on get started. And when it brings me to this page, I want to use one of these templates to create my email. Now you will notice that some of these are paid templates. And for the free ones, you see this free badge by them. And what I want to do is I want to select and toggle on these free templates only. So when it comes, I see a number of templates here which I can use for my free email. I'm going to use this particular one. I'll click on apply and I'm going to say, let's say welcome to subscribers. Not subscribers, but subscribers. I'll save that. And it brings me into this particular campaign. Now, I had already uploaded my logo in a previous campaign, but you can upload your logo here. You can also add an image here. For this, I'll just get a free image from Pexels. Now, if I click here, I think I already have a number of images added. Maybe they are not displaying here, but I'll just upload one. I'm just going to upload the picture here. I'll click on add, upload picture, and then I'll upload that particular one there. You see, we now have it here. You can change the text here and change this button. Let's say for this button, I'm going to see, instead of add text button, you can change what it says there. I could see visit our shop, and you could make that bold, and you could link it here to something, maybe google.com. And then, having done all of this, you could remove this Intuit logo from here. That is if you have the paid plan. But since you are using the free plan, we see the Intuit MailChimp. And then you could just send a test email if you like. Send a test email to an email to check if it's working. You could also preview this. I'll close this. You could preview this. You see how it looks on desktop, how it looks on mobile, and how it's going to show on the inbox. So it's going to show on the inbox this way. It's still loading. I'm not going to belabor that. I'll come back here. I want to save and exit. So you see under my draft emails, it's going to appear here. So this is the email I have. I can have up to 10 on one page. Now, for me to create a campaign or to send an email campaign, on the left-hand side, you see campaigns here. I could just click on that, click on all campaigns, and this is the list of campaigns I've sent. These are both drafts. If I want to send an email now, just click on create, and I'm going to say regular email. Just regular email. It's going to ask me to design. Now I'll just close this. I'll go back. I'll say just choose regular email. Now on this page, I'm going to click on fully designed template, and it loads. And I want to come to my saved templates, and I want to select this particular one, welcome to subscribers, which we just designed. I'm going to apply, and here it is. Now I can send a test email. This is now my campaign. You can rename your campaign. I'm going to send a test email. I'm going to add an email address here, send a test email, and then I'm going to show you how it appears. Now it tells me your recipient should receive your test email untitled shortly. If recipients reply to your email, their feedback will be shown in the comments tab. So I'm just going to open that particular email address and check the email. Now this is the email we've received. It's not displaying. I'll click on show images, And this is the email we've received. So that is how to send emails using MailChimp. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.